In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can be your own best client. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? So I'm here today. Just wanted to make a quick little video about being your own best client. And that is something that we don't necessarily are taught to do. I think we're mostly taught to get clients, retain clients, let's make our clients happy, let's make them keep coming back. And yeah, I'm not saying you shouldn't do that, but that's not everything. I really do believe that we can be our own best clients. And this video, I'm going to share exactly that. But before I get into that, let me just introduce myself if you don't know who I am. I am Jonathan Gray. I am an award-winning creative director. I'm a personal branding expert, and I am a creative mentor for designers, developers, photographers, copywriters, anyone that really has a creative voice that really wants to amplify it. So I create these videos because I want to help you not just become a better creative, but I want you to be able to make a business that's scalable, that helps you attract the right clients, and to really help you embrace that lifestyle you're looking to create. So if that resonates with you, make sure to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you want, you can hit that bell too. It's up to you. So let's dive into this subject, because this is something that I don't really see many people talk about. There are people talking about it for sure, but I don't see a lot of people talking about it. So I wanted to give voice to it because this is something that has helped me grow my business. And whenever I did leave my job as a full-timer and as a creative director for an agency and make that leap into my business, into the freelance world, I didn't have clients. There was nowhere there was no work that I can share to get clients. So what I had to do was decide, okay, what's my ideal client? What's that person look like? And what kind of work do I want to do? So what I ended up doing is creating my version of that. What would that look like for myself? How can I be my own best client so I can attract those clients? And that's exactly what I did. So I used myself as a case study. Then I attracted someone who really loved what I did. And then I used them as a case study, and I went super deep on their case study. I went so deep. I got video testimonials. I went through the process. And then that allowed me to attract all the clients that I have today and that I continue to have. So don't wait for that ideal client. Don't wait for that ideal company. Become it or make it up. There's no rule saying that you have to actually have this client. You know what I mean? You can do spec work. Just do work that's just going to amplify your creativity. And not only does this help show your clients your range and the skills that you have, but it also helps you understand what are your strengths, how can you be able to show up in the world, and how can you use your abilities to not just showcase what it is that you do, but to get a deeper awareness of why it is that you're doing it. Because that why is going to allow you to keep moving forward and to keep going. So don't wait for that client. Become that client. All right. So that's all I wanted to share with you today. So thanks again for watching. Make sure to leave a comment. Make sure to let me know what kind of business that you're doing, what that ideal client looks for you. I love to hear that. I love to give you feedback if you need it. So feel free to ask. And if you do want to schedule some time with me, some one-on-one time, I am offering a 45-minute one-on-one session for free, which I usually charge about $200 for. But my first session is always free. And in this session, we're going to get super focused on how you can get super clear on your goals, to address the challenges you're facing, and to really create an action plan to help you get from point A to B. So if that is something that you're interested, I will put a link in the comments, and so you can schedule your time with me. All right. So thanks again for watching. I hope this information helped, and I will talk to you soon. Take care.